Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike.
I'm Pam.
And we're here today to tell you all about our celebration. We're celebrating the fact that we've made 1,000, well, we didn't make 1,000 subscribers, but our channel has hit 1,000. And we're actually up to 1,030 something as of today.
Yeah.
And I'm just thrilled. I really am. And you know what? We just have nothing else to say except thank you.
Thank you very much.
And we really love you guys. We're so appreciative that you guys watch our channel. And so now,
well,
we had...
Well, as promised, we said when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we were going to have a drawing for salt and pepper, battery-powered grinders, and we...
That's a camera. That's a camera.
That's a camera?
Oh, because the thing is on the top.
When you push the top, they have batteries in it.
Oh, I was wondering what she was doing.
Salt and pepper grinders, and we love ours. And so we said when we reached 1,000 subscribers, if you sent your name in, we were going to have a drawing. So we did the drawing on Friday, and unfortunately, we did not do it live because we had a little mishap at ours.
Yeah, Pam was hoping that we could have had a pool installed in the bathroom, like close the door and just fill it up.
Well, just an inside pool.
But told her you can't do that. You know, it leaks out.
And it does, because I overflowed my tub for about 2 hours because I got sidetracked. So
that really happened. You know, a lot of people have had problems with face basins, tubs, you know, water heaters. It's just... it happens. So we have the big mess, and it's currently a huge mess. Mm-hmm. No, it's dry. Let me be exact. It's all dried up, and we're waiting for construction, okay? But
there's furniture everywhere, and it's just a big mess. So
we just pulled the name and said, you know,
we'll go ahead and post it when we can get around to it. And the winner is Keely Gilliard from Birmingham, Alabama. And thank you, Keely, so much for subscribing to our channel. We love you. Hopefully, they've been shipped out. Hopefully, you'll be getting them within the next day or so.
Please let us know how you like them.
Yeah.
Because we bought some. We have, I don't know if you can see them back there, but you can adjust the grind on the salt and pepper. And honestly, I put a couple of AA in each of those things probably over a year ago, and they're still charged up really good. They're not rechargeable. I'm just saying, you know, that it lasts a long time. So
it was a nice little gift, and I know she's going to love it when she gets them.
Yeah.
But anyway, we just want to thank you all again so much for being faithful subscribers, and keep doing it. Share it with your family and your friends, and keep coming back and taking a look at all we have to share with you.
Yeah, listen, if you have any suggestions or comments that about, you know, future recipes or whatever, let me hear about it.
Or suggestions of something that you might like to see.
But another thing y'all need to know is that we have a Facebook page called The Sanders Kitchen. And I would love for you guys to go on there and keep track, because I'll let you know in advance what the recipe is going to be before it ever airs.
Right.
And you can kind of look forward to it. And we are going to be giving away some other things. We'll kind of keep it as a little secret right now. But it's, anyway, so that's about it for today. Thank you guys again for tuning in to our channel, The Sanders Kitchen. We love you. And as always,
God bless you.